Deals for Do-Gooders, our whole premise was to provide our fundraising service to any community in the world, essentially, that has a fundraiser and local merchants.
When I first heard about Deals for Do-Gooders, I thought, what an ingenious way for a not-for-profit to sign up, make some money. This is the easiest fundraising opportunity I've seen come across my desk.
A merchant agrees to run a special on behalf of a fundraiser. The fundraiser agrees to promote that special through their network and to their supporters, thereby helping the merchant find new customers, build new business, and in the end, the merchant gets 50% of the sales and the fundraiser gets 20% of the sales.
I think that the big benefit for consumers using Deals for Do-Gooders is that you're able to support local charities in your community and basically finding good deals on products you wouldn't normally find, one-of-a-kind type gifts.
We're looking to raise funding to get us to the next stage of our development. We need to grow our merchant and fundraiser base and get merchant deals going in various local communities, and of course we want to work towards expanding into a major market and throughout the rest of North America.
Deals for Do-Gooders will broaden the base of support and will greatly benefit us if we can get funding through people that maybe otherwise weren't aware of our situation and what our needs are.
It's a one-page sign-up. It's nothing complicated. They will help you, and walk you through it if you do have any questions. With that, you can change deals easily, so you don't have to run the same one all the time. You can change it up. You can, be creative, and it's very easy to do.